Hello, everybody. This is Val with
This is how we do it.
Hello, my beautiful people. This is Val with This Is How You Do It. I will be cooking some lima beans. Lima beans. Cook your meat that you're going to put into your beans. Mine is already ready. All I got to do is wash and add the beans and onion seasoning. Okay, look, I'm ready to put the onions in. Garlic. It can be fresh or minced. It's up to you what you prefer. Now this part of the seasoning process, you put in what you like to put in. I'm gonna put a scoop of sugar in there in case the heat, any heat that I put in there, it'll come back. The heat and plus sugar soften your beans. No matter what bean you cook, it tenderizes them, and it don't overpower with sweetness. It has a flavor in it that you probably can't put your hand on what it is, and it's just a scoop of sugar. And the reason I say at this point, put the seasoning in that you like. Some people can't have certain seasonings because of dietary reasons. So that's when you start at this point, put in whatever you like. Whatever you like. It won't hurt it. Just a little bit. That's going to give it just a little heat. That's why the sugar's in it, to help with that. You can add some more water at this point, but the beans will cook a little bit and make some water, so I'm going to wait. Before I add any more water right now, actually I started off with like a third of liquid in here. And I'm going to put some fat in it also. Even though that has fat in it, I'm going to put a spoon of margarine in here. Put a little bouillon in it. All this is doing is helping with the seasoning of it, because it has meat in it. And the meat broth comes from your meat. That's for flavor. Getting my spoon out again. Put a little oil in it. That's going to give it flavor also. Everything is a flavor. You're building on your flavors. I'm going to cover this up and let it do what it needs to do for about a few hours. Cook them until your tender result. The texture that you want on your vegetables. The beans made some more liquid, so I'm just checking it, giving it a quick stir. Checking my progress. Still not ready yet. Okay, people, it's ready. And this is Val. This is how you do it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, that everything button. And I see all you beautiful, beautiful, beautiful people on the next video. Bye-bye now.